Let's go! Professional tree movers.
Go.
Oh, much. Yeah, you have like, look at his heart.
We're with the friends now.
Oh, hey. Still trying to figure out the tide thing.
Going up and down. That's what it is.
So it looks like I'm on my phone, but I'm actually doing something
Of course.
important.
Oh, of course.
Yesterday, the tide was high at 6:20, which was right during the sunset. And tonight, it will be high at 7:12. And it will actually be a little bit lower than yesterday, but not that much.
Okay, but right now it's way lower. So we were
Yes.
in the water here. So yesterday my cameras were right here where I'm standing. And can you show us the special triangle rock?
Yes. So, we created this picture right here. This was my pedestal. So very comfortable. I actually almost didn't recognize it. It was so different.
Yeah, Kim can fit on that. Can you put your hand?
Here.
The end. for
That
reference.
was it. And yesterday night when we did the scouting, well, not the scouting, when we decided on this location, both my boots were in the water. So there was water going, like coming up on the rock. And then by the time we decided to, like, we chose the spot, went to pick our stuff up and then get ready, it was already a little bit lower. So there was no water up to here when we started. So it was going pretty fast. And by the time we ended, maybe half an hour later, there was no water. So it was already like receded.
Yeah, as I said, the tide is going up and down.
And you better know in which direction it goes, because otherwise it can be dangerous.
Yeah, nothing that special about. You didn't see that, but the mic is.
And here was your Polo Square rack. So Eric was
Yeah, that
really
was-
happy about this.
Yeah, it was
spot.
very practical. So to
You could just put his spot. Yeah.
I mean, that was very convenient to
Yes.
have this little place here to put my stuff.
What is nice about this spot is that if I understand correctly, you had something like that in mind, right?
Yeah, I was looking for something like this. I know we can find rocks everywhere, we can find water everywhere, but mixing this opening with a comfortable rock for your butt, we had it all yesterday. I was like, whoa! And I took the first picture and I was super happy. I was like, wow, we have it. We have that perfect spot. And a few minutes later, water was gone. And no water means no reflection. So that was a quick shot, but we managed to get a very, very good one. So I'm very happy about this whole thing. And that was the story about this picture.
We blinked and it was gone. That perfect location existed for just a few minutes that night. But we captured exactly what Eric was looking for. A magical light painting trace with the subject wrapped around by the rocks. This was lit by hand in 6 seconds using a sugar light painting square.
Right.
As we're here again tonight, we're going to look for more compositions with the rock formations. Making art outdoors in darkness is such a special experience. The night transforms our surroundings, narrowing our visual perspective. And it's through art that we reveal the scene.
C'est peut-être fini.
m'en viens. Attends, je m'en viens. Attacked by a tree.
Yeah, learning how to fall properly.
That was a very good fall.
Yeah, I rolled.
That was a very good fall.